Hello, everybody. This is Deshaun Storm Tracking. I hope you're having a very good evening so far on this fantastic Saturday evening, November 1st, 2025. Yes, I can't believe it's already November, guys. This year is about done, and I'm ready for New Year's and I'm ready for Christmas. So, yeah. But in this video, guys, and also I'm ready for Thanksgiving too. So, holiday season is almost here, guys, and I hope y'all are ready for it too. But in this video, guys, we got upcoming one upon that will bring some storms of parts of the southeast and also some snow of parts of the higher elevations of the extreme northeast, the Rockies, and even parts of the upper Midwest. You might get some snow this month. So, if you like these videos we do on my channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss no uploads. So let's get into the video, guys. So, right now, you see, we do got a storm system right now that's spitting up, guys, with parts of the parts of Ohio Valley. There's spraying some cloud cones and showers of parts, showers and storms of parts of the southeast, but nothing too severe for parts with this storm system. So this storm system is just gonna be a weak one. But besides that, everywhere else pretty quiet. Got some cloud cover parts of the Ohio, the Rockies, parts of the. So we got some high pressure parts of the western US that's keeping things above average. And this high pressure will stay. So it's not really until again towards mid to late November is when we're gonna start seeing these storm systems roll through. And some of these storm systems could bring severe weather, which we have the potential to see severe weather after November 14th, which is my birthday, which is I'll be turning 22 years old. My birthday is almost here, yay! So now let's get right towards the US weather forecast. And see what the weather patterns can be like. I was getting towards the later part of November, in the middle part, and made it to the later part of November, which we can expect for Thanksgiving. So you can see, guys, by the time we're getting towards November 2nd, guys, you see that storm system. Storm system I was just showing you is out of here. Besides that, everything else will be after that. There's gonna be a lot of ridge and high pressure, so things will be pretty quiet for a while. We got a lot of ridging, but it's not really until getting towards November 7th. We might get a first storm system. A weak storm system might work its way through towards the extreme northeast and working its way towards the Ohio Valley and towards the northeast. But it's really until getting towards November 9th, November 10th, guys, is when we start getting these storm systems. We got storm system number 2 right here. Storm system number 2 right here that might develop, work its way towards the mid-Atlantic in the southeast, bring some snow on the backside or parts of the backside of it. You might get some snow with this system, guys. A very, very defined, very, very deep pressure, 981 millibars low pressure, and it's supposed to work its way through. Then by the time getting towards the 10th, it might bring some shining storms of parts of the southeast. There's not really until here comes the big storm you're watching too. This is a little bit too far out to take through a grain of salt. So you can see by the time we get towards the 14th, guys, which is my birthday, November 14th, you see it. We got storm system number 2. And storm system number 2, storm system number 3, guys, starts developing, guys. And this storm system develops very, very powerful. It gets down to a 918 millibars. The back side of it, you're gonna have a lot of snow. And look at the downside, the warm side of it. You can probably have some strong severe weather parts of Louisiana and Mississippi. But the back side of it, you can see inches of snow. And the back side, that includes North Dakota, South Dakota, and northern Minnesota. Now looking at our trough, you can see a 500 millibar height anomaly, not height anomaly, 500 millibar with jet stream. You see, we got storm system. Yeah, we're gonna have a couple dips, so it's not really getting until November. Right now, guys, we just right now until we get into November 7th, November 8th, guys, we just gonna have this zone of flow. That's just gonna be in place for a while, and that's gonna be keeping temperatures above average. So then here comes our first storm system number 1, work its way through. Then after that, storm system number 3, guys, and here comes the big one. This trough right here, expecting a jet from the west, is coming through, guys. And this storm right here, yeah, that's a nasty trough right there. 105 knots. Very strong negative tipped. Very, very strong angle. Look at that. That's a classic trough you see for severe weather. So severe weather could be severe weather could be so we could have severe weather with parts of the southeast. And that this is second severe weather season as we transition towards summer, towards winter. Now, Fires bar height anomaly. Fires bar height anomaly. You can see it's on the storm system. That system is out here. After that, we're gonna be in a lot of zonal flow, means it's gonna be temperatures above average. But that zonal flow will pretty much be a goodbye before we get our first storm system working its way towards the Ohio Valley and the northeast and parts of the southeast. Then by the time you get towards around over 14, over 15, guys, you can see here comes a storm system right here that might eject from the west that will bring the potential for snowstorms and severe weather. Parts of the southeast and parts of the west and parts of Ohio Valley and parts of the north Midwest and upper Midwest. Now, temperature wise, when it comes to temperatures, yes, temperatures are going to be in the kind of mild size. Not gonna be too cold or too warm. It's pretty much more mild, like in the 60s, parts of the whole U.S., a southern extreme western U.S. So right now we got mild temperature parts of the southeast. I was getting to November 3rd. Then by the time you get to November 4th, guys, we have some mild temperatures also in the 60s parts of the southeast, in the southwest, even the south central U.S. and the upper Midwest. It's gonna be mild, but the northeast and high, especially those high elevations, it's also gonna be pretty cold for y'all. Then by the time we get towards November 5th, guys, you can see 4th to 5th, mild temperatures continues, cool down. But look at this, guys. By the time we get towards 7 to 8, guys, we do have a huge cool down. It's coming through, guys, and this will bring temperatures well cool down. Look at these temperatures down in the southeast. We're getting up on next Tuesday, not next Tuesday morning, but the Tuesday after next Tuesday. I don't know what next Tuesday 11th, but yeah, but Tuesday after next Tuesday, guys, look at these temperatures in the 30s, 40s, even higher visions getting in the 20s. The Ohio Valley could be in the 20s. Very huge cool down that's coming through by the time getting towards early mid-November. And look at this, guys, and possibly another cold one coming after that with this next storm system. So now let's get right towards temperature anomalies. So temperature anomalies right now are going to be in the above average side for a while. But right now, it's below average parts of southeast. But once we get towards the 7 and 8, guys, before that next cold one comes through, we're going to see a lot of above average anomalies of parts of the southeast. Each one possibly as a storm system is coming through. Then after that, a huge cool down comes to, especially in Ohio Valley, guys. Seeing temperatures anywhere from 17 to 23 degrees below average. Parts of in southeast, the eastern U.S. going to be seeing below average temperatures, and while western U.S. going to be warmer than average. Then by the time you're getting towards November 13, November 14, guys, you can see very things start to warm right back up again, guys. Especially, let me look at this. I mean, anomalies anywhere from 27 to 29 degrees above average parts of central U.S. And that's along with the next storm system that's coming through. Not next storm system. The storm system after the third one. Not the third one, yeah, the third one. Because right now we got storm system number 1 that's working right through. Look at this, guys. I mean, look at this. I mean, temperatures in anywhere from 31 to 33 Celsius degrees above average. Degrees above average. I mean, this is very concerned. Not Celsius, but 33 degrees above average. I mean, special part to the up in the Midwest and the central U.S. seeing but altitudes. That's alone this next cold front that's coming through. And when that cold front does come through, it won't cool things down. It won't cool things down enough. It's still gonna be pretty. It's still seeing slightly above average anomalies in parts of the central U.S. While Ohio Valley is just gonna get obliterated with above average anomalies. Now, how much rain we're going to see now until November 15, guys? Well, looking at the rainfall outlook, guys, you can see not much rain can fall now until November 16, guys. Maybe a lot of parts of southeast on Ohio Valley, not southeast, but a lot of parts of Ohio Valley, but a lot of parts of California, Western Oregon, and Washington. How much snow we're going to see? Now let's get right towards the first snowfall, the first last snow we're going to see of the year. Well, yes, parts of Montana, Western South Dakota, North Dakota, you will see, especially Western South Dakota, North Dakota, you will see a lot of snow for y'all. A lot of snow on those higher elevations, those mountains, especially those California mountains, getting decent amount of snow. I mean, these mountains, I mean, getting anywhere from 29 to 30 degrees, I mean, not degrees, 30 to 29 to 30 inches of snow on those higher elevations. A lot of lake effect snow parts of Michigan, and even parts of Wisconsin, and even parts of New York and Pennsylvania, and even parts of those higher elevations of Connecticut and Maine. So now, because of this, guys, because the zone flow we're gonna be seeing now into November, into mid-November, keeping temperatures above average for parts of the central U.S., the central western U.S., and even parts of the southeast. And because of that, it's gonna be seen because a lot. There's also be a lot of below average anomalies, below average precipitation for parts of the Southwest, near normal to slightly above normal parts of Florida, above average parts of the Northeast, and above average parts of the West. Now it's the 19th, November 15th, guys. You can see. Okay, yeah, now it's November 15th, guys. You can see above average anomalies of parts of the. Sorry about that. Amen. Amen. So we got above average anomalies of parts of the. Got above average temperatures of parts of the central U.S. and the western U.S. And look at that, and parts of the northeast will see near normal precipitations. Now parts of the northeast you're gonna see above precipitation parts of the northeast, slightly below for parts of the southeast and the upper Hawaii, and parts of the west. I'm gonna see above our precipitation. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. So the upcoming events next week, guys, on Monday when I get my new mic, I will be releasing my last winter 2025-2026 winter forecast, guys. No more snow, no more snowfall forecast. That was the last one I got uploaded. So no more snowfall forecast, guys, because we already seen snow already. So it's too late to be doing our snowfall forecast this year, but we can see. But I will have winter 2025-2026 winter forecast come on Monday, guys, and yeah, and also along with that, so I'll get my new mic on Monday. So yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, see you on the next video. Peace.